that each time I bring up something that has to do with my family, you wave it off. Why?
I can tolerate any other thing, but don't ignore me. I married you. You're my wife. It is disrespectful to ignore your husband.
I need to teach that boy a lesson. A big lesson.
My brother Ije, see, that boy is a fool. You need to teach him a lesson. Come on,
I want you to call Ndidi. Tell her to allow Uzoma to come stay with them in the city.
I just said I don't want your sister here. I have my reasons.
What sort of reason is that?
Why do you always like making me feel like a total stranger?
Hey, Animal. Exactly when did you become a she-devil?
Because I'm married to the devil. Jacob, you're satanic. Don't make me hate you.
You're supposed to be spoiling me with bone straight car, luxury houses. You're supposed to spend money on me, not fight for me. Oh shit, Mike Tyson.
Do you realize I am married to your sister? Your blood sister?
I don't care about my sister. I do not give a hoot about your marriage.